Ja, heute.
You can't get speed or power kicking without rotating your hips, someone said in the comments. Now I want you guys to look at the difference, okay? And keep in mind of how illogical this is, right? Hips and pivoting your foot. These are two different parts of the body. You can definitely move your hip without moving that foot. Is it dangerous? Yes. Is it for everybody? No. Can I do it? Most definitely. And so can a lot of other fighters. And CRO, for example, is a good example of this. But look, okay, you catch the kick. Do you catch my full body like this or no?
Yeah.
If not, you can put it straight, like
Oh.
that without stopping. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, now, I'm gonna do the same kick, rotating my hips, like this expert tried to tell me. Okay, so, watch the leaf, watch my feet, and above all, watch my head, where my head ends up. Okay, one more time. Okay, knee up. One more time. I'm pivoting the foot, moving my hips. Okay, now I'm gonna do it without pivoting the foot, okay? You guys see my hip? It still ends up facing you guys, even though I'm not really pivoting the foot. It's much faster, and I have the luxury of keeping my head back here. So if you guys see the kick and look at my head, I can keep my head pretty much where it's at. If I put my hip into it, with the pivoting of the foot, look at my head now. It will inevitably move from here to here, making it more dangerous. You definitely can get a lot of power kicking the way I kick. You can also choose to pivot right at the end. By that I mean right when you connect. Now I'm gonna pivot right when I know my foot is hitting the person's head. But I'm gonna start the kick without pivoting the foot. That's basically how CRO does it, okay? He does everything before connecting except moving the foot. He'll have his leg all the way here, like that, even here, and then when he's connecting, then right when you connect, you move it. Bah! Okay? One more time. What? Ah! To the next video, catch you later.